Hi and welcome to day 5 of our 7-day Law of Attraction Challenge. I'm your life and leadership coach Gagan and I'm so thrilled to be with you again. Over the past few days, we have made a great progress. On day 1, we set our intentions and we learned how to focus on what we truly want. Day 2, we tried to add some self-love by doing some mirror practice and the results were amazing as we shared. And on day 3, we took on 24 hours of positivity challenge, training ourselves to maintain a positive energy. I'm sure challenging but very, very powerful. And yesterday, on day 4, we created a desire list, an incredibly powerful tool to bring our dreams into reality. So, congratulations for making this far. But today, on day 5, we are going to focus on something a little different, experiencing the magic in your everyday life. All of us are so busy running, rushing, but today it's about tuning into small, beautiful moments that surround us. Because magic is not just something distant or rare or through the manifestations, it is right here, right now, in this present moment. So let's talk about what I mean by magic. Often we think magic as something extraordinary, something that happens in big, life-changing moments. Yes, that can be, but that's not just all. But magic is actually in the small, everyday things. The sound of birds chirping outside your window, the warmth of sun on your skin, a smile from a stranger, your favorite coffee, or a quiet moment of reflection. And look at your heart beating so amazingly. Isn't it magical? These are the moments that make life abundant, fulfilling, and truly magical. And let me share again my personal story, right? As I said that I wrote a desire list and at that time life felt busy. I wasn't really stopping to appreciate the little things. So it was going on. And when I found my old journal where I had written all my desires, things I had forgotten about during the rush of life, right? And things I thought are out of reach. As I looked through the pages, I realized that most of the desires had already come true without even me realizing it. So the magic wasn't in waiting for something big to happen, but in the small moment of joy, growth, and gratitude that led me to this place. I was so, magical, and I was so powerful about that. This is what I want to help you see you today. The things more you notice and appreciate the little things, the more magic you bring into your life. Like attract like, right? So here's what I want you to do today. Take next 5 minutes to pause and actively notice the magic around you. Maybe after the video. Look for those moments of joy, beauty, and gratitude. Whether it's something as simple as feeling the feel of warm breeze, the sight of flowers, the smell of a favorite coffee, or the sound of your favorite song playing. Allow yourself to soak into these small moments and feel gratitude for them. This activity is all about shifting your focus. Instead of looking for big dramatic signs in your life, you're training yourself to see the abundance which is already existing in your life. Remember, we shifted from 24 hours positivity challenge and now we're leveling it up by looking at magic. And once you start noticing these moments, you'll find that more of them begin to show up. So take a moment to reflect on your observations. Universe is always listening to what you're saying in your head also. And after you spend those 5 minutes, I invite you to share one of the small magical moments you noticed with a group. And this will help you stay connected to the abundance around you, and it's a great way to encourage others to do the same. Few of us might be hesitant about it, but we are past day 4, right? So be more open about it. Remember, the more you focus on the small moments of magic in life, the more you'll start to experience the abundance in your life. By simply appreciating these moments, you begin to shift your energy and attract more and more positivity. So today's challenge is to notice and appreciate the magic that's already in your life. By the more you do this, the more you will feel abundant in your life. And the more faster you'll be able to manifest. I encourage you to share what you noticed Again, sharing these moments will help us stay in a state of appreciation and manifest even more together, because we are universal energies working together. So take a pause, experience the magic which is already there. Okay, so thank you for joining me for day 5. Tomorrow we'll continue our journey and I can't wait to see you there. Until then, keep noticing the magic around you, and remember, your life is already full of abundance. And I'll see you on day 6. Keep manifesting, keep appreciating, and keep smiling, and stay connected for your daily dose of positivity.